statement is, for the following counties, in Kentucky, not in Letcher. The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued an urban and small stream flood advisory for Central Letcher County in southeast Kentucky, South Central Knott County in southeast Kentucky until 9 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with heavy rainfall moving repeatedly across the same locations. Doppler radar has estimated that over an inch and a half of rain had fallen across portions of the advisory area between 5:45 and 6:45 p.m. Up to an additional inch of rain will be possible between 6:45 and 7:45 p.m. before storms exit off to the north. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause minor flooding to occur, especially along small streams and near low water crossings. Some locations that will experience minor flooding include Blackie, Cody, Colson, Crown, Elko, Gander, Hotspot, Jeremiah, Pinetop, and Polly. This includes the following streams and drainages: Big Branch, Little Car Fork, Hale Branch, Left Fork, Holly Bush Creek, Wolfson Creek, Smith Branch, Branham's Branch, Cardo Creek, Blair Branch, Little Coley Creek, Trace Fork, Johnson Branch, and Doty Creek. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Repeating, a flood advisory has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, not in Letcher.